Hello friends, this is Dr. Rajnish Gulati, Gastroenterologist from Vikaspuri, New Delhi. We will talk about a very important disease today, that is the fatty liver disease. As you know that fatty liver is one of the most common diseases which affects the liver. This affects about 1/3 of the Indian population. This means that every third person is affected by the fatty liver. Why fatty liver is important? Because this can lead to a very dreaded disease known as cirrhosis of the liver. So fatty liver is the first stage of a liver disease, and this goes to hepatitis, and then this develops into a cirrhosis. So who are the people who are more prone to this disease? Number one, patients who are obese, that is who are overweight. Number two, patients who are diabetics. And number three are the patients who got a raised lipid levels in their body. So these are the category of people who are more likely to get the fatty liver, and we see it very commonly day in and day out in our OPD practice. And this is a disease which can be prevented and treated by a very simple means and with the help of medications. So people who are overweight, the most important thing for them is to lose the weight. And to lose the weight, you have to modify your lifestyle. And modifying lifestyle means that increase activity. When we increase our physical activity, we spend more calories. And when we take food, we should take a food which is less in calories. So by taking a low calorie food and by doing more physical activity, number one, we can prevent this disease and treat this disease also. So you can go for jogging, you can go for skipping, you can go for gymming, one can go to the park and run, jog. So all these activities, they increase our metabolic activity and they help in decreasing the weight. We should avoid the foods which are rich in calories, rich in sweets and sugars. So sugar should be avoided at all the cost. And food which are rich in food like fast food, the burgers, the more crispy, oily, fried foods, they should be avoided. So by avoiding these foods, we shall take a less calorie diet, and this will help in treating our fatty liver. And people who are diabetic, they should get a meticulous control of their diabetes, and by controlling their diabetes, they can be benefited for avoiding this disease. And people who got a raised lipid levels in the body, they should take statins and drugs to lower the lipids. So this is the important message, that if our liver is fit, then we are hit. So work for your liver, work for your body, and you can treat this disease and you can prevent this disease also. Thank you.